Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Ethereum, its valuations against Bitcoin, as well as the US dollar. Remember, if you like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, with the recent moves of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is up about 5% for today. It's been on a roll for the past 2 weeks, and currently is now 30% above the 20-week moving average. Ethereum going into Q4, a theory that's been brought up many times in the space, talking about the Q4 bleed of Ethereum. An example here would be last year from October to December. We did see a move up, but then an ultimate drop for Ethereum, as well as potentially last year, the 2 years ago in 2019, we also saw a similar drop in December. With that said, Ethereum is now holding the 20-week moving average. It's currently at the 20-week moving average. We bounced off of it in July of 2021. We've also gotten below it back in the previous Q4, as well as in Q1, as well as Q1 of sorry, Q2 of 2021. Now, the 20-week moving average itself isn't necessarily a marker, so to speak. As we saw here, this was still during the bull market of Ethereum, but we ultimately broke down the 20-week moving average. So that necessarily isn't something to uh, hold dear and with Ethereum and Bitcoin. You can look at the RSI right now, coupled with the idea that we're going into Q4. This kind of indicates to me that Ethereum is going to be looking towards lower valuations, and that's something that I'll be doing as well. Since 2019, we've been bouncing off of this line here, and we've been here, and we're here yet again today. We're currently at 53.68 RSI. And if we do break it, that would mean a break of this red line here, this support line, as well as the 20-week moving average, as well as, I guess, fulfilling the theory of a Q4 bleed for Ethereum. So for right now, I'm not buying any Ethereum. I'm not selling any Ethereum either. I would just hold the Ethereum that I currently have. But going into the end of October into November, I'd like to see where we are at that point in the next couple of weeks. Have we broken the 20-week moving average? Have we broken this line of support here at that point? If that is the case, then um, it seems to be that Ethereum will be going to lower lows before it gets any better. This, along with the fact that Bitcoin has been quite bullish the past couple of weeks, if this continues, Ethereum's not going to be able to catch up. Ethereum's not going to be able to keep up, and that would result in a continuation of a bleed in its Bitcoin valuation. An asterisk here would be that the US dollar would most likely be fine against Ethereum. As you can see right now, Ethereum is down against Bitcoin, but it's up against the US dollar. So Bitcoin is essentially pulling Ethereum up against the US dollar, whether it likes it or not, but it's ultimately affecting its Bitcoin valuation. So in the next coming weeks and within this quarter, it'll be a very interesting moment uh, of what Bitcoin will do within the quarter, as well as the reaction of Ethereum. And if it is going to be like what it was last year, then the idea is to let your Bitcoin ride and then buy Ethereum with your Bitcoin at the end of the year or near to it, and you can get a pretty nice ride from Ethereum at that point. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.